Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here for the Scraproom to share with you the November Flavor of the Month kits, and then I will do the double shot kits later. So I'll start with these Flavor of the Month kits, and I'll start in the order that I've just got them laid out here. So we are going to begin with, this is Heidi Swapp Emerson Lane. So don't forget that I have the pattern paper add-ons as well as the embellishment add-ons. With every kit in the Flavors of the Month kit, you are going to get 3 pieces of pattern paper, 2 pieces of cardstock, and some embellishments. And then I have the add-ons that I will share at the end there. So the cardstock is this really awesome craft cardstock that goes nicely with that. And then your 3 pieces of pattern paper, you have this blue, yellow, and pink floral with the large floral. And then on the back side, you have that asymmetrical stripe that's green and white. You have that mustardy yellow and white diagonal stripe, which is really cool with that little floral in the corner there. And you have this huge large floral that's pink and that mustardy yellow with white, and you can kind of see the geometric overlaid into that. And you have this really cool whitewash pinky color, followed by that wood veneer old school with colors in that. So that is the main Flavors of the Month kit. And then you're going to get for embellishments, you're going to get 1 envelope, and it's going to vary, but that's the square envelope that with the gold corners that I got there. And then the embellishments that I got, which is from the ephemera pack, I have it looks like those are some photo corners in there and some veneer pieces today and flowers, a tag. Love this. Number 8, a heart, and a 7, and this the green thing that says paper clips, which you don't have to use it for paper clips. You could use it as a neat paper layer or a backing behind a photo kind of sticking out as a corner there. So that would, or just for clusters. So that is what is in the main Flavor of the Month kit for November from Heidi Swapp. And then the embellishment add-ons, if you get the embellishment add-on kit, you have these 2. You're going to get washi tape, and it's going to vary from kit to kit, but there will be 2. These are the 2 particular ones that I got. And for the pattern paper add-on, and again, you're going to get all 4 collections, just 2 of each collection. So you've got that pink and white diagonal stripe with that green date stamp, sort of old vintage postage stamp, the white with the floral at the top, which would probably go that way if you were looking at the flowers. And again, this is the Emerson Lane collection, that really neat geometric there, kind of a 60s geometric, and then the yellow floral with the green leaves on that sort of vintage white background. So that is the Emerson Lane collection from Heidi Swapp. And moving on, we're going to move on to this Echo Park. So 3 pieces of pattern paper, 2 pieces of cardstock, and then the add-ons. So the stickers you get for embellishments, you get the whole sticker sheet, which is really generous for that Echo Park collection, and this is called Celebrate Autumn. And that really fun sort of graffiti paper with all kinds of fall things, and that nice material. It's kind of like a burlap, but it's a fine weave burlap. And then you get these stripes and that fun print on the back side with a little bird. I think he's a cardinal, and pumpkins, and then this floral with that on the background. And then the white that goes with this Echo Park collection is actually, it's called Walnut Cream. So 2 pieces of that. Then if you were to get the add-on, you have this nice little gingham check there. Sorry about that. And then on the back side, you have the 4x4 cards with different sayings on them. A yellow with a tone on tone, so there's acorns and leaves print, and then some leaves. And then the embellishment add-on that goes with that are the chipboard accents that go with that collection there. So with that little fox, the cute little critters, the raccoon, the bunny. So that is Echo Park's Celebrate Autumn collection. Then up next we have My Mind's Eye, and this is Well Hello. So as always, you're going to have 3 pieces of pattern paper, 1, 2, 3, cardstock, and 2 pieces of pattern paper that are in the pattern paper add-on. You're going to get these embellishments, and these are the embellishments that are in the embellishment add-on kit. So for the 3 pieces of pattern paper, you have these hot air balloons. On the back side, you have that nice bee with the yellow floral. Words, love, LOL, yay, hello, ciao, happy, play, cheer, fun. And then you have that geometric on the back of that. Some florals, those would be great for fussy cutting. And that stripe, although that might be a tough call for me. Fussy cut and stripe. And then the pattern paper or the cardstock that comes with that is just the white cardstock. And then you're going to get a different mix of embellishments. You're going to get 1/5 of the mixed bag. So this is my 1/5, and then you're going to get some enamel dots that varies, and I got the blues. So my embellishments, I've got some large photo corners, cactus, smile, a banner, a tag, good food equals good mood, a hot air balloon, a flower, and a dot. So that is the flavor of the month kit. And then if you were to get the pattern paper add-on, you have this neat blue with the teal crosses in there. And then on the back side, you have those birds and some foliage. Those would be fun to fussy cut too. Some llamas and some more florals with that blue. And then for the embellishment add-on, you are going to get the sticker sheet. So it's the full sticker sheet with that, which goes with the collection. So that is the 3rd of the 4. And the last collection in the flavors of the month for November is by Jen Hadfield, or Pebbles, and this is called Along the Way. So as always, you're going to get 3 pieces of pattern paper, 2 pieces of black cardstock, 2 pieces of pattern paper from the pattern paper add-on. These are from the add-on, and these are the embellishments that come with the kit. So for the 3 florals that come with the flavors of the month, or the 3 pattern papers, you're going to get these butterflies. And on the back side is that nice polka dot with the blue. This is the B side of this, which is a floral on that mustardy yellow. That pink sort of stitched look, and the stripe with the different greens, pink, yellow, and blue with these cute little birds as a selvage strip down the end there. And then that is another floral. So there's a lot of sort of more broader collection, more broader patterns there. So you can see that, and then it has the black cardstock, so that would be a neat mix there. Or some butterflies flying, that would be neat too. See how those colors really pop against the black. So that is the flavors of the month kit. And then for the embellishments, you're going to get some phrase stickers, 2 of the tags, some one-dimensional sticker, and then 1 of the icon ephemera. So that's the icon ephemera. Mine happens to be a loop that says hello. That's the 1 tag that I got, and you open it and it says, well, I think I got more than 1 tag. Nope, 2 tags, and it varies. So it must be from a tag pack. So those are the 2 that I got. And then What else? These are the icon ephemera. So floral, some more florals, a snail, bee, a house, a girl dancing, and those are the stickers that I referred to earlier. So that is the goodies from the Flavor of the Month kit. If you subscribe to the add-ons, this is the pattern paper add-on. You have that nice green with the squares. And then on the back side you have those stripes. And you have that sort of peachy pink with black polka dots. And you have another floral. That is the pattern paper add-on. And then if you were to get the embellishment add-on, you will have this half of the foam phrase stickers that are foil, as well as a fifth of the ephemera pack. And my part of the ephemera pack is love always, do small things with great love, quiet the mind and the soul will speak, oh so pretty, live in the moment, and that's gold foiled, home is not a place, it's a feeling, thanks and best wishes. So that, my friends, is the Flavor of the Month kit for November from the Scrap Room. You'd also get coffee if you were a subscriber. I also happen to subscribe to the Double Shot kit. So we have Simple Stories Forever Fall this month, as well as Pink Paislee Pages collection Whimsical, can't remember, and of course Whimsical, I think is what that is. So let's start with the Simple Stories Fall. So with the Double Shot kits, you're going to get the 3 pattern papers, 2 pieces of cardstock, and an extra piece of cardstock. So for this month you get 2 craft, you get that sort of salmony, blushy, reddy color. And then these are the 3 pieces of pattern paper. So you have the acorns, you have that navy and white stripe, look how well that goes, the plaid, and on the back is a great B-side. It's sort of that rusty orange with maroon in there. And then you've got this navy with the teeny tiny florals in there, and that E-cut pattern. And then you're going to get a washi, and that happens to be the stripe washi that I got, as well as some of the selection of the embellishments that come in that kit. So there's a nice mix of sayings, tags, and ephemera in there. So that is 1/2 of the November Double Shot kit. And last but not least, to finish up, we're going to finish up with Whimsical from Paige. So you have your 3 pattern papers, 2 pieces of the white, 1 piece of the white cardstock, and then you've got that blue from Basil. So the 3 pieces of pattern paper are this floral with the stripe on the back, the pink and kind of off-white, that circle that looks like a quilt, that's very Paigey, and the tight florals in that sort of cornflower blue, and then these stripes which build that purple into it, which is really nice, that sort of violet. So that's probably, I don't know where I'm going to go with that. Probably build that into there. And then you have the half of the sticker sheet. So there's usually 2, they're put together. So this is my particular half. And then you have a paper clip with the tassel on the end of it, and then some of the enamel stars. So that, my friends, is the Scrap Room kit. If you subscribe and you leave my name in the comments as a referrer, you will get a special little treat from Rochelle. I hope you enjoyed seeing the kit today. If you have any questions about the kit, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.